Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to enable watermark in your Lenovo K13. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Lenovo K13 and you are wondering how to enable date and time and model watermark in your Lenovo K13. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. For example, I'm going to launch my camera. After click of a camera, if I'm going to take any picture and if I'm going to preview that picture just now I had took, I'm to see there is not appear any date and time. You might be decide to enable date and time or model watermark. In order to do that, you click again here the camera apps and then click this gear icon. After click over gear icon, we're going to see there is going to be appear something just like this. Here we're going to find here something say watermark. After click over watermark, here you can see there is two things. One is timestamp and is Lenovo K13 watermark, or make a specification or a signature by, for example, you can make here any name you want. For example, I want to enable time and stamp watermark, which is show date and time on photo, and also you can see the preview how it's going to be look like. Also, if you want to decide to Lenovo K13 watermark, you can also enable Lenovo K13 watermark. But the signature, if you want to decide to make here signature, for example, I make here my name by Rahim, and then let me make here check and then go back and let me see is it taking picture properly or not. You can see I'm in this screen. For example, I would like to take a picture. I had just now took a picture. If I go the preview button, I'm going to see that's going to be appear very stylish way model and date watermark, which is it might be not clear. You can see it's giving my name and the model, which is Lenovo K13 by model, and also M monogram, and also we can see here the small date and time. So in this way you can easily customize or enable date and time watermark in your Lenovo K13. Now you might be decide to turn off these things. In order to do that, again you need to go here again camera icon and then click this gear icon, and then after click over gear icon you're going to find here watermark, and if you decide to turn off, you can easily off timestamp, Lenovo K watermark or signature. So in this way you can easily enable or disable time, date and model watermark in your Lenovo K13. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.